Break 16, break 16. Anybody got a copy on Big Mac and Apex?
Sir, go ahead, Apex. Got a copy on you here in Pittsboro.
Hey, 10-4, 10-4. This is Big Mac out of Apex. Pittsboro. I was just through there today and down in the tramway area today. How you doing?
Yeah, doing good. Yes, sir. Monte Carlo Kid here in Little Base in Pittsboro. Go on with it.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. I was hoping John Brown was still out there, but I don't hear him.
Yeah, I'm not sure if John Brown's on the
Yeah, 10-4. I talked to him about 20-30 minutes ago, but he may be off there for the night. But 10-4, what's your handle again in Pittsboro?
Call me the Monte Carlo Kid. Been doing this for about 70 years. Truly. That was my kid handle, and I got back into it a year ago. So, Monte Carlo Kid, US 3310, Monte Carlo Kid in Pittsburgh, North Carolina.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. Appreciate it, Monte Carlo Kid. This is Big Mac out of Apex. I'll be on the side.
Hey, roger that. Be on side too. Alright. Go ahead. Yeah, Big Mac, you over on Apex, you got a copy on Bluefox.
Yeah, 10-4 Bluefox. I got a good copy on you. What's your 10-20?
I'm in a little town called Broadway, not far from Stratford. I just want to let you know, man, you sounding good down here in Broadway.
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4. I appreciate it. You sounded good up here too. I think I've talked to you before because the radio I was talking on 30 minutes ago is a Cobra 2000. This radio is a Galaxy 55, and I got these from Swamp out of Broadway, but he's deceased now.
Oh yeah, you talked to me, it's been probably 6 months ago. Might not have been that long, but it's been a while. But yeah man, I hope you're doing good.
Yeah, 10-4, I'm doing real good. Yeah, I just miss old talking to Swamp. I used to talk to Swamp. I've been a CB since about 77, but then I got out of it, and then I got back into it about, I want to say 2009 or 2010, and that's when I bought these CBs from Swamp.
Yeah man, well yeah, I've bought the world old Swamp Fox, man. Went a lot of places with him, carried him a lot of places, and spent a lot of time with him and talked to him on the CB radio on this thing here, and yes sir, I know what you mean. He was a good man.
Alright, 10-4, I appreciate it, Bluefox. I'll be on the side, but I won't stay gone so long next time, but I appreciate it. Sounded good up here in Apex, and I'll be on the side. I'm out.
Okay, Big Mac, will you join us, man, we in here every night on Channel 16. You're welcome to join in at night you want to, anytime you want to, and we'd love to have you, man, sure would. Take care up on Apex, man. I know that's a busy and a fast-paced world you live in up on Apex, so God bless you, buddy. We'll see you, and I hope you have a good night.
Alright, 10-4, appreciate it as well.
10-4. Hello, Big Mac. Hello, Big Mac. They got a man waving the hand at you. What kind of radio are you talking on? Are you talking around?
10-4, I'm talking on the Galaxy 55. Alright, 10-4, I appreciate that. You sounding good up here in Apex too. Where are you at?
Yeah, I'm up here in Sanford, up here at the airport. If you know where the airport is in Sanford, there, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, I can throw a rock and hit it.
Yeah, 10-4, you're probably about 30 miles from me, maybe.
10, Roger, on that. No doubt. Yes, What kind of antenna you talking on, man?
I just got a cheapo Antron up about, it's probably about 50 foot up in the air.
Damn Roger. Well, it sounded good, man. You're doing a good job up here in Sanford, man, no doubt. Very clear, man, and ain't hard to understand you at all.
Alright, 10-4, I appreciate it.
Alright, have a good one, man. Just wanted to wave at you one more time. Have a good one, man. And like Blue Fox said, man, just jump in any time, man. We're all jumping down on 16 just about every night as old folks, and just kind of ratchet y'all there, right?
Yeah, 10-4, 10-4, I appreciate it. Alright, this is Big Mac, I'll be on the side.